Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Learnworlds account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Hotjar to Learnworlds? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Hot to Learnworlds anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to track analytics, and Hotjar is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Learnworlds account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Learnworlds account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Hotjar, I want to let you know you had to have already created your site ID in Hotjar and copied it to your clipboard. If you need help finding your site ID in Hotjar, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But I've already logged into my Learnworlds, and in order to connect them, you're going to click on settings here on the left. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on integrations. Once you click on integrations, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you want to click here analytics. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and just scroll down until you see Hotjar. And in order to connect them, you're going to click here on activate. Once you click on activate, you're going to go ahead and paste in your site ID here. Once you've done that, you're not quite finished connecting Hotjar until you scroll to the top and then click on save. Once you do that, those two are connected. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Hotjar to your Learnworlds account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.